Hey, aloha gang, the holidays are right around the corner. We're at City Mill and we're with Iris and we're talking about finding the perfect gift for that gardener in your life. Iris, what do we have?
We have some great items this year for gardeners. Great items from a company called Bare Bones. They are all stainless steel and they're all actually made off of Japanese patterns.
So these are all very, very high quality.
These are very high quality. Copper snaps, copper buttons, leather straps, and stainless steel. We have this great bag too. This is called a foraging bag. What's great about this bag is it actually has a reusable plastic. So if you have something wet by flowers or something,
perfect.
you can just stick it in here, put it in here, take it out, and you don't get your bag wet. We have this great hat. This hat is one of the really great for people who are doing a lot of outdoor gardening. You feel water in the hat, you turn it around, put it on your head, it actually reduces the temperature on your head by 20 degrees.
This is a whole keiki set over here, but this really isn't toys.
No, this isn't toys, but it's great because kids love to do stuff with mom and dad, right? And kids love to grow stuff. So we have this Stanley set, pots, some tags so you can tell what it is, gardening gloves, all in one kit.
Iris, so what do people need to know about Christmas trees before they get here?
Oh, before they get here. What people don't understand is trees get cut a long time before they get shipped. So the trees have been in the container for a while. The best thing is to get the trees as soon as we get the containers. City Mill has the containers here. We're ready to sell you trees, and that'll be the freshest. They will last all the way past New Year's.
There you go. Everything this holiday season, City Mill has got it all. Come on down here and check it out. We'll have all this up at HiNowDaily.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.